Okay, y'all, this is a room tour of cabin 6301. It's balcony cabin on the Carnival Sunshine. So we'll start right here when we come in. So when you first come in the door, there are three really big closets right here. Plenty of hang-up space, plenty of hangers. These two are identical, and this one right here has your has your safe and of course your life jackets, and plenty of space for clothes and shoes down at the bottom. One of the things I find interesting about this cabin, and I'm not sure if it's the category of balcony cabin or if it's just the bathrooms on the Carnival Sunshine, but the so the shower in this bathroom is a bit larger, as I'll show you in a second. I think the square footage of the bathroom is about the same. This maybe appears to be a little bit littler than normal, but I think it's a good trade-off for a bigger shower. So here's just your standard bathroom, all of your standard amenities. Of course, you have 3 shelves, just like every cabin does. But here is what's different about this cabin. So normally, your shower on a lot of the cruises that we've been on anyway, your shower is just kind of in a corner right here. Well, this shower runs the length of the bathroom, so it's quite larger, which we have enjoyed, myself for sure. So that's one thing that's a little bit different about this cabin. So moving forward into the room, so there's just 2 of us on this cruise, so we have found that there is ample storage on this room. So you have these 2 shelves, and then you have these 2 shelves, which are, these over here are very large. Actually, it's 3, including the countertop. So you have three shelves, and which is plenty of room for us. And then down here, you also have storage with 2 shelves per cabinet. Down here, then you have obviously your mini fridge. These are very large cabinets, or drawers, I should say, in a cabin. These are exceptionally large from some of the other balcony staterooms that we've stayed in. So, and of course there's 3 of those, so plenty of storage. This is a king size bed. I think you can, as usual, have this broken up into 2 twins, but we have it put together as the king, so plenty of room on the bed. And then a smaller couch right over here. This does not pull out. This type category balcony cabin 6301 does not have the, I don't believe you can have 3 people in this cabin. So smaller couch here, plenty of sitting room, and then you have your desk and your chair to do a little bit of work or editing or whatever you want to do. So next thing, I guess, is the balcony. It's just a standard balcony, nothing exceptional, just the regular size balcony. So you come out here, and of course we're at sea today, so you have your beautiful view, and then your beautiful wife, and then so you have your 2 chairs and your table, and just as I said, just a standard balcony. This balcony is pretty much close to midship as you can possibly get. There's the aft, there's the forward. So anyway, that is pretty much your room, cabin 6301, Carnival Sunshine balcony stateroom.